Nervous about trading options for the first time? You should be. They're risky and you could lose money, but there is a way to practice your strategies before risking any money. So we could search for a beginner-friendly stock. I already have it up. Rigetti Computing, RGTI. So this is a beginner stock for trading options because it's lower cost. So it's for small accounts. So whenever you buy or sell one option that controls 100 shares of whatever stock you're looking at. So in this case, if you were to buy 100 shares of this, you would pay $1,785. But we don't have to put up any money if we're just using the feature that Robinhood has called watchlists. So we can click on trade options, and we can go out a few weeks here, let's say March 20th. And let's say that you want to get into the stock and buy 100 shares of it. But at the moment, you just want to practice. So we could pick something, we could sell a put that's close to the money, close to that current share price. Instead of clicking sell at the bottom, at the very bottom, you can click add to watch list. All right, great. And that's one way to do it. Or another way is you can just simply double tap it. So we can scroll down to around 80% profit. Let's say the $14 put, double tap that, add it to watch list. And then you can click on open. And then you can look at your watch list position. So this is the one I just added. We can see that for the past month, this options contract started around the, between 50s and 80s, and then it jumped up, down, up, and then now it's slowly losing value. And we can see that it simulates as if you had sold a put right this moment, and it tells you how many contracts you have. You sold one, you received $52 to get into it, added it today on 2/25. It tells you the break-even price of the underlying stock, and it shows you the market value. So if you went to buy it back immediately, you would pay $52. And this is with market closed right now, so if the market was open, that number would be fluctuating. Expiration date of 3/20, and it tells you the current Rigetti price at $17.84. And then it tells you today's return, total return in terms of dollars and percentages. And you can also click simulate my returns, which is really powerful. And you can see, okay, if the stock rose a certain percentage or a certain price, then you can see that the put you sold becomes more valuable over time with a max price of the amount you receive to get into it. And you can click on that little 1784 to bring us back here. But if the price sink, then you could see, oh no, we're starting to lose money. With a max loss of the cost of 100 shares. And if you go back and you want to go back to your watch list, you can scroll down and it'll be under your lists towards the bottom. And you can find the thing that says options watch list, and we can see that you can track it by what is that contract value, percent change for the day, and total percent change. As you can see, we have those different puts we just did. Good way to practice buying and selling puts or calls without actually doing it. And simulate my returns. You can check it by looking at, okay, what if the underlying price goes up? What if it goes down? You can hold your finger on the chart and say at 12 days to expiration at this certain price, you would have made $30 in total on this. Or you could hold all the way to expiration, and if everything goes your way, you'd make the max profit of $52. So the options watch list is a great way to practice your theories without actually risking any money and seeing if options is something that could work for you. So if you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.